Hey, it's Duncan. Welcome back to Free Legal Information Friday. It's the end of the summer, start of the fall. I've noticed a lot of people, myself included, in the last couple of weeks have taken trips down to the States. So today we're going to talk about car accidents and what happens if you get in a car accident while you're traveling in the United States. If you're from Thunder Bay, maybe you're down in Minnesota or Wisconsin or something like that, or maybe you've flown somewhere and you're renting a car and driving. So let's talk about if you've been in a car accident in the US. If that happens and there's another driver at fault, we end up with a pretty complex legal situation. We could still have a claim against that other driver, and that claim, that lawsuit, would actually be in the United States against that other driver and really against their insurance company. Now, you'll need an American lawyer for that part, and we could always help with trying to find an American lawyer for you. A big issue, though, is that a lot of American drivers don't have the same amount of liability insurance coverage that we have here in Canada. So in Canada, we almost all have $1 million of liability coverage that protects us if we're sued for a car accident. In the States, it could be really low. It could be 50 grand, it could be 100 grand, who knows? So that American driver may not have enough insurance to actually pay your claim if you have serious injuries. So in that situation, we could have a separate claim in Ontario with Ontario lawyers against our own insurance company through the OPCF 44R underinsured coverage or family protection coverage. So you could have American lawyer and an American lawsuit against the at-fault driver, and then Canadian lawyer and Canadian lawsuit against your own insurance company, who will really step into the shoes of that at-fault underinsured driver. And then, like any automobile accident, we also have access to no-fault accident benefits through our own automobile insurance company here in Ontario. So it's a complex situation. If you are in an accident while driving in the United States, make sure to call the lawyer so we could talk through some of these issues and at least set you up in the right direction. This has been Free Legal Information Friday. Thanks, everybody.